So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download HappyMod on iOS, iPhone, and iPad. So let's go ahead and get right into it and show you how that is done. So first of all, you can see here I'm currently on my iOS device. You're going to want to head over to the settings now, go down to the bottom, and then head over to General. Now head over right under iPhone storage. You're going to want to click on Background at Refresh. Click it now. Make sure this is actually on now. Most cases, it would actually be off for you now. To fix that, all you have to do is disable low power mode. So that'll go ahead and automatically set it to on. So once you do that, you're then going to want to head over to a browser that you're actually comfortable using. So once you're here, go ahead and type in the official website of HappyMod. So happymod.com. So now you're then going to want to go ahead and click download. Make sure that you click download again. So doing that. So it has now downloaded to our device. So all we have to do is just click download right here. Click on downloads. You can see here that I have HappyMod. Then back out of our browser and then head over to our settings. Now back here, you're going to want to head to General again. And then after that, head down to the bottom where it says VPN and Device Management. Click on it. It's going to give you the option here to actually install the specific profile of HappyMod. It doesn't show up for me right now, but for you, it should. So all you have to do now is install that particular specific profile. Once you do that, you are then set and ready, and you will have HappyMod on your device. So that's how you go ahead and do it. If you did find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.